Dear viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. So in the last video we have covered the choose the best answers and fill in the blanks of atoms and molecules lesson. So in this video I'm going to solve the match the following session. So I think this video will be very helpful in your studies. Keep watching, subscribe and click the bell button to get a notification instantly. I'm sure this idea will be very helpful in your future. Now we will start this sum. Match the following. So what is given? 8 grams of oxygen, right? And 4 grams of hydrogen, 52 grams of helium, 112 grams of nitrogen, 35.5 grams of chlorine. So this is the answer. This is the idea given there. So the other side we have all our moles. So what we need to do is the mass is given, we have to find out the number of moles. So that is the idea, right? So what we have to calculate is the calculation part is number of moles. So this is the answer we want to find out. So how do you calculate number of moles if the mass is given? So the idea is given mass divided by gram atomic mass for an atom or gram molecular mass for a molecule. So if you have an atom here, you have to go with a gram atomic mass. If it is a molecule here, we have to go with a gram molecular mass. So knowing the gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass is very essential for this. So what is the first one? That is oxygen. So let me write gram molecular because O2 is a molecule. So gram molecular mass of O2, nothing but 2 into 16. So the answer is 32 grams. Okay, the next one, hydrogen. Again, hydrogen is a molecule. So gram molecular mass of hydrogen is equal to 2 into 1. So 1 is atomic mass of hydrogen, so 2 grams. So next one is helium. Helium is a atom. So gram atomic mass. See, otherwise it's a monoatomic molecule. So we can go with molecular mass, not a problem. So gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass of helium is same because it is a monoatomic molecule. So gram atomic mass of helium is equal to 4 grams. So that is atomic mass. Now come to the next one, that is nitrogen. Nitrogen again is an molecule. So gram molecular mass of N2. So 2 into nitrogen atomic mass is 14. So the answer is 28 grams. Right? The next one, chlorine. Gram molecular mass of chlorine is equal to 2 into 35.5. So the answer is 71 grams. So this is the idea, right? So now given mass by gram atomic mass, we will solve one by one and we will find the answer, right? So let me go and solve the first one, that is 8 gram of oxygen. Okay, so the first one is 8 gram of oxygen. So let us solve. So the number of moles is equal to 8 gram of oxygen. The atomic mass of oxygen is 32. You could see here 32 grams. So let me substitute there 32 grams. So gram get cancel 8. So this is 1 time, this is 4 time, or 4 into 8 32. So 1 by 4 mole or 0.25 moles. So now come and check out the answer now. So 8 grams of oxygen is nothing but 0.25 moles. So that is our first option, first one. Okay, next one, 4 grams of hydrogen. You could see 4 grams of hydrogen. So again, the number of moles of, for this is oxygen, for this is hydrogen. So 4 grams divided by the gram atomic molecular mass of hydrogen is 2 grams. So substitute there 2 grams. So the answer is 2 moles, right? So the answer is 2 moles. This is the second one. Come to the third one. Number of moles of helium. Given mass is 52 grams divided by the gram atomic mass is 4 grams. So gram get cancelled. Now I just want to tell you 4 one time here. So in 5 we have 1 time, balance 1. So 12. In 12 how many 4s are there? 3 times. So the answer is 13 moles. Answer is 13 moles. Check out the answer. Yes, it's there as a last option. That is third one. Now come to the next one. That is 112 grams of nitrogen. 112 gram of nitrogen. So the number of moles of nitrogen is equal to 112 gram divided by the atomic gram molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 grams. So substitute there 28 grams, grams can cancel. See, if you have numbers like this, just divide by small numbers first. So we will do it in a pencil and then we will continue. Now 112 divided by 28. So let me go with the 4 table. So 28, 6 fours are 24, 7 fours are 28. So it is 7 time. And again this is 4 times means 11 we have a 2 times, and then 32 8 times. So how many 7s are 28? It is 4 times, right? So the answer is 4. So that is right. The answer is 4 moles. Answer is 4 moles. Do you have an option of 4 moles? Yes, the option is first. So the first one is option is for the fourth one. Answer is the option is first one. So 4. The last one is should be a 0.5 moles. So let me work out and then okay we will find out. So the fifth one, the number of moles of chlorine is equal to the given mass is 35.5 grams. So you write 35.5 grams on the top and divided by the gram molecular mass we have calculated for chlorine is 71 grams. So you write that 71 gram down. So gram can get cancelled. So if you divide, we can easily say 35.5 into 2 is 71. Just now we have seen at last. So this is 1 time, this is 2 times. So 1 by 2 is equal to half a mole or 0.5 moles. So do you have option? Yes, that's the final option given. So fifth one. So now let me write that word options clearly. So the options are 8 grams of oxygen is 0.25 moles, 4 grams of hydrogen is 2 moles, and 52 grams of helium is 13 moles, 112 grams of nitrogen is 4 moles, and 35.5 grams of chlorine is zero point 0.5 moles. So the options are 4, 1, 2, 5, 3. I hope this video will be very helpful, my dear children, to solve this match the following. Keep watching, the learning will be interesting. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification instantly. Like the video and share it to your friends. So let them also find it very simple. Thank you.